security for the Wallerfield. What's your name, my boy?
Murphy, go by the name of Murphy. Live and direct, karting event.
Live and direct, and you always say whenever they have an event on it?
Yes, of course.
Thank you very much. Well, I feel safer already.
Alright, bro.
Blessings, brother.
Alright, blessings.
Hi guys, so I've just arrived at Wallerfield, so it's my first time here. It was very interesting. I showed you directions how to get here when I was coming. I actually drove past the track a little bit and came back and turned in. And then when I turned in, I got a little nervous that I was actually on the track. Turns out it was just the actual road to get to the car spot, because the go-kart racing that is occurring today is in a slightly different spot. So I don't know what to expect, but what you can expect is that we're definitely going to capture some racing, fly the drone a little bit. It's a completely new experience for me, but you know what? This channel is about experiencing everything Trinidad has to offer, and I'm really excited to see what's going on here. I know Wallerfield is really popular with many people for car racing and go-karting and stuff, and I want to experience it as well too. So let's go and see what's happening there now. Yes, boss. Good day.
Hi, good day.
And what's your name, sir?
Ronald Woodman.
And you are the what to this committee?
I am the president of the Trinidad and Tobago Karting Association.
And can you tell me, like, how long has this been going on?
The karting has been going on for many years, like maybe more than 20 years. And it goes up and down with the economy, with interest, and it was on a real good upswing just before the COVID, and finally got started back. We don't have as much people. Some of the kids go on to university, things change up. But we back on an upswing, so hopefully some good things to come again with the karting.
I'm sure it'll start to pick up. So if you want to tell people at home, if they want to come down and watch or get involved, how often would this kind of event be going on?
We have a Titasa calendar, and we do have a website. Yeah, that's it. Every like 6-8 weeks, and normally on the Saturday before, we have a practice in the morning, and then we have kids in the evening. We do a training program with kids. Yesterday we had 14 kids.
Okay.
And on the Sunday we have racing. Normally starts at midday till about 4:35. And then we normally stay back and socialize and chat and little pecan who beat who and that kind of stuff. It's been going good.
Alright, well thank you very much for your time. We appreciate it, and I'll let everybody see the link to your association, and hopefully more people can come out and take it in over time.
It's free to come and see. There's no charge. Yeah?
No charge.
You're welcome, spectators.
Alright, thank you very much, man.
You're welcome.
Yes, man.
Well everyone, I hope you had a really great time. I will admit, like, it was thoroughly entertaining, and these men could real drive go-karts, like super interesting. It's definitely worth visiting. Come down with your family and your friends one day and check it out. As I said, I'll put down in the description the different information how you can find out about dates and times. It's completely free. You can come and park up and spend a few hours, and I take what I'm telling you, real entertainment. Like, it's not no Disney World go-kart kind of vibes. Like, these people racing hard, spinning out, pure action. So I hope you enjoyed something different today. I thoroughly enjoyed myself. Have a great week everybody, and I'll see you next week with the next vlog. Bless up.